Hey guys, we added some new features to our Karmabot command. You can now fire your commands in the general or any other channel, and you can send them via direct message, as I'm doing here. You can get the feed items from PyBites. So channel commands, you have to add mention Karmabot. I can get a Python tip. I can get top channels. And then folks can join these by clicking them. And to contribute to this, you can also add one by opening a PR. So here's our repo. You can fork it and make a branch. Add your script and open a PR. First, let's make a fork. Let's clone the repository. Actually, I just made the template on the upstream PyBites repo, so I had to pull it in. We'll explain a bit how this works. So we have a my command, which you can fill out with any logic. You can use user channel and message from the Quarks dictionary, and you can then return a message that basically is a string. And I have some spacing issues here. So for example, let's do a command that is called age, and we're going to print the number of days that PyBites is alive. So again, we make the my command, we can use Quarks, we need to return a message string with what the bot is going to post in Slack. Then we have to import the new function, which you will see in a bit, and add it to the right dictionary. And then PR the new command. So let's write some code. Look at that. Almost 2 years. So I saved this. Well, actually I save it as a new file. h.py. I check out template because I want to keep that pristine. So I got age, and now I have to add it to the main script, which is bot Slack. And here I can import age. Let me actually call it PyBites age. Okay. And now I can add it to a dictionary, and I think this should be a public command. It's fine to print this to the Slack channels. It's something fun people might be curious about, so I'm going to add it to a public command. If I would add it to private bot commands, it would be a command that you would send as a direct message to the bot. So these are more things like we don't want to spam the channels with. Age is fine to add here. So the actual command then will be age, and that will invoke PyBites age. And that's it. Now you have to pull request this change, and when we accept it, we redeploy the bot and the command should be available. So let's do that next. And now I have to push this to my fork. Back to GitHub, now I can do a pull request. Here I add the command, and here's the command code. So now I can create pull request, add an H command, a public H command, create pull request. I merged it in. I did notice that I made a mistake. So actually we started on the 19th, not on the 12th. So I made that change as PyBites, merged it in, and pushed it to the bot, onto the Pi0 where it's deployed. Look at that H. I actually made a mistake on the doc string. Actually, what I forgot was to change this text to say something about the command. So I should have added this, which I will probably just do now in the repo. That of course requires a new redeploy to the server, but this should work. So there you go. Our community can now add commands to our bot, doing a pull request, adding a command in the commands directory. And I think this is awesome. I think we're going to grow to 50 commands or more, and Karmabot will be pretty popular and making our Slack experience even better.